So I am going to go with rose gold and white charms for this set, just to keep it simple. But I'm going to do, I'm trying to see, should I do rose gold with a hint of white, or should I do white with a hint of rose gold? I'm thinking white with a hint of rose gold. What y'all think? I gotta go back and watch your videos on the Apple Pencil again because I'd be so confused, but I'm gonna keep trying. Yes, keep trying. It definitely takes practice. I have multiple videos. You probably I have two style options you can choose from, the regular method and the double strand method, and definitely keep practicing. And if you feel like you still not grasping it, do one of my classes. I offer one-on-one classes, and we'll do a band together and do it step by step. I answer all of you guys' questions. So if you're really serious about this and you want to get this going and you still having a hard time grasping it, definitely do a class, you guys, okay? You stop selling what? You stop selling bands? What you stop selling? Yeah, everybody have a hard time with the knots. Yeah, that's kind of the hardest part. But once you just got to keep practicing. Yeah, I need to promote it more. I be lacking. I need to promote it more for sure about the classes, but I posted it on my page. But I definitely should be promoting my classes way more. I actually offered the classes months ago. I just been lacking on letting you guys know about it, but it's on the website. I only do classes on Saturdays and Sundays though. Apple bands. What's the problem? You feel like your items wasn't quality pieces, or you feel like how you was making them wasn't quality pieces? Like, what exactly do you mean? Explain to me, girl. What's going on? Because that's two different things. It's so quiet, but YouTube sucks. I can't play no music or anything. They'll be on bullcrap with me, so. Okay, now we're about to put these charms on. My favorite parts. How I make them. Okay, well, you need to do a classes. Because if you're using my products, then you got quality material. You know what I'm saying? You just need to figure out what you need to do to make them last. But don't get discouraged if 1-2 people say they thing pop. You know, don't feel discouraged because that I was on live, y'all, talking to I was on live talking to people on Instagram, but my iPad just died on them. iPad. I don't know. I'm not doing what the hell. But yeah, y'all, I be making these, and I be wanting to play some music so bad. Like, they need to figure that out. Like, I think, like, if I'm playing music while I'm creating, and as long as I say the artist who's playing, like, I shouldn't be penalized. You know what I'm saying? It's not like I'm literally using the beat, singing a song, and then saying I'm that person. You know, like, as long as I say, hey, you know, this is so-and-so song in the background, like, I'm giving them their credit, that should be that. But this music industry be kind of funky sometimes. Like, they be set in their ways. But to a certain degree, I can't really blame them, because I know people took advantage of them years ago and different stuff like that back in the day, over time, whatever. So that's why new rules are in play. But I don't know, it just sucks. It sucks booty. I used some new string on this set, and I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it, y'all. I'm so particular, but I need to stop being like that. I need to stop being like that. But I think we should start having story time. What y'all think about that? I think we should have, so I think that'd be cool. Instead of y'all just literally like watching me in silence, I can have like a story time, like I tell y'all about different stories, like different situations that happened to me. I'm thinking about that. I think it'd be pretty cool. But I gotta make sure I got enough time to talk. Yeah, I know I can talk. When I get to talking, I can talk, okay? Your girl can run a mouth. So I need another rose gold right there. And we got another. I'm gonna do another. Matter of fact, I can just swap them out. Since this is a rose gold up here. Yeah, let's do that. Let's swap these bad boys out. I want to know how people be adjusting their camera that you guys be seeing like down. I need to figure that out so you guys can see from my view instead of like from here. Because I know y'all be wanting to see better, but I just don't know what to do. I don't know how they be angling their cameras like that. So if you know what they do or got any tips, please comment and let me know how they be, you know, having the camera point down towards this way. Like, do they have a camera on their head or something? We are done. I'm gonna give you guys another angle, but we are done. I'm about to drop this, and we are doing 25 days of slay. We are in day 2, so I'm gonna post this video and another video to catch up for the 2 days. But my plan is to post content every day of me creating different styles. So I'm super creative. So instead of doing Vlogmas, I'm doing 25 days of slay. I'm gonna post different content of me creating different items, and I'm excited. And I hope you guys turn on those post notifications and tune in with me. But we are done with this band. Let me show you guys the finished look. And again, I use JSRE beads and Joanne beads. The solid burnt orange beads is JSRE beads, and the beads with the white and burnt orange splatter is beads from Joann's. Okay, and then the charms and everything is JSRE. I hate when my bands don't sit right, but okay, let me show y'all. And here we go. Isn't she lovely? This is very dramatic, very extra. We got the rhinestone adapters, that's rose gold. We got the rose gold charms, and I did a mixture of rose gold and white because I couldn't choose. I really wish I had like a burnt orange charm to make that pop, and I could have did all white with a pop of burnt orange, but I don't have any burnt orange charms, and that's actually a really hard color to find. Like, I got bright orange, and I'm gonna use this one, but I didn't think it was gonna look right, so I decided not to use it. But that is it for this for today's video, you guys. Like I said, we are going to do 25 days of slay. This is day 1 and 2, and I hope I will see you guys on the next one like always. Bye.